Good, happy Monday afternoon, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's get started. Crews put out fire after explosion at Merrimack plant. Workers were evacuated Monday morning from St. Gobain Performance Plastics in Merrimack after a ventilation unit exploded. Firefighters were able to contain the fire, although they had to peel back a section of the roof to make sure the fire hadn't spread, officials said. The explosion, as reported about 6:30 a.m. Born man said workers tried to put the fire out with extinguishers and then evacuated the building. There were no injuries. It took about a half hour to get the fire under control, officials said. Firefighters monitored the air and said there were no environmental concerns. The cause of the explosion and fire is under investigation. And that does it for my news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your Monday afternoon. Goodbye, everyone.